So why are rhythmic movements so effective? It's because they actually imitate the baby's earliest wiggling, woggling movements. They're done very gently and passively, so that the parent can actually be doing all of those movements with the child. And the movements are gentle. They need to be done in a way that is rhythmical, that is effective, and done exactly. So what these movements then do is they start to work with the vestibular system, and that is our balance mechanism within our inner ear, the most important system really in our bodies that needs to be working well. The next series of movements are then the active movements, and these active movements help us to be able to separate the top and bottom of our bodies, because so often we get so stressed, and children do as well, that then they're moving almost like planks. There's no separation between the top and the bottom half of the body when they're moving. So that means that when the child is sitting at the desk at school, it's not able really to be able to sit upright and to be able to just use its hands to write, or to be able to hold the book comfortably, to be able to read, instead of which that child is wriggling all over the place and putting the legs up underneath, or in some cases I've even seen children having to stand in order to write because the bottom half of their bodies are kind of unstable, so they're not holding the whole system upright. So that's part of the work that we do in rhythmic movements. And that is why rhythmic movement training is so effective. Now, what training can you do? How can you learn about this? Well, there's a one-day program which is geared for parents, for preschool teachers, for kindergarten teachers, and that one-day course covers the fundamentals of what rhythmic movement is about. To look for that, have a look at that on the website. It'll tell you exactly when the training dates are, what the prices are, and how you can enroll. The second level of training is a 2-day course, and this is called Rhythmic Movements and School Readiness. This gives you a lot more detail about the childhood reflexes, and obviously over a 2-day course you're going to learn a great deal more about rhythmic movement training and about the childhood reflexes. The third level is that of learning in depth, and this consists of level 1, 2 and 3, and this training takes you through all the childhood reflexes, how to assess each reflex and how to be able to integrate the reflexes. This is a program that even without real prior knowledge you can come in at level 1 and start learning in depth about how the brain actually functions and how the interconnection within the brain whole system, and where reflexes and their part plays within the whole developmental process of the brain.